So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fill out all of the degrees all around the circle. But this circle has perfect symmetry. What does that mean?
It's on the other side, so it's the same.
Right. So which one is 120 degrees symmetric with over this axis?
60 degrees.
So these points will be almost exactly the same. What will change about it?
Negatives.
Which one becomes negative?
X.
The x. Do you see how the x goes into the negative side, but the y still stays positive? So this one is going to be negative 1/2 positive square root of 3 over 2. How about 135? Negative square root of 2 over 2. Positive square root of 2 over 2. $150? Thank you. How about 150?
Negative square root of 3.
Negative square root of 3 over 2. And? Positive 1/2. Okay. Right now, you're going to have a conversation with your partner, and you are going to fill out the bottom half of the circle. Think about what becomes positive, what becomes negative, and so on. I'm going to be doing it up here so you can check your work as you go, but I really want you to talk to each other, okay? And if you have no idea what's happening right now, just say that to your partner and say, help me, I don't know what's going on. Go ahead.
So it's just like yes. So yes, just go down here. So you go to the left, it goes negative. So you go down, so the y becomes negative. So it's just both of these. Just all of these, but all of them negative. Negative, negative, negative.
So the x is on the left side, which means the x is negative, and the y is below the 0, which means that the y is negative too. And the rest of it's just symmetric. So it's just like copying the top. But that's only for the third quadrant. Do you guys remember what the numbers of the quadrants?
It starts at top right, 1.
One.
It's counterclockwise.
2, 3, 4. So the third quadrant should have both negative. And the fourth quadrant should have which one negative? The y.
It's reflected.
The book does this in a completely different way than I do. The book kind of like tries to teach it all with triangles and then have you focus on triangles for a really long time. And then they just give you the unit circle and hope that you can make the connection. And I build it instead, and then we end up skipping like 3 sections at once. I like this though. I like knowing where the numbers are coming from. Are we all done? Anybody need more time?
PowerPoint come down.
My son is so obnoxious, this is a real thing he does, when he'll be like, Mom, can you help get me a popsicle? Or whatever he's asking. And honestly, it's like 90% of the time it's, can you get me a popsicle? So, Mom, can you give me a popsicle? And I'm like, yeah, give me 5 seconds. And then I hear from the other room a little voice say, Google, set a timer for 5 seconds. And I'm like, then 5 seconds later it'll be like, bring, 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 bring. And Sandy's like, Mom! I'm like, okay. Oh, you're so literal. It's fine. Okay. So, we're going to stop with the unit circle today. And we're going to look at some triangle problems that are similar to this. This is your book, and I printed it so that you can write on it. And when I say I printed it, I mean Tegan printed it, because I didn't do it. So this assignment that we're going to do together right now, and this is going to be a 2-day assignment, so we're not going to finish it. And right now, we're only going to worry about 4 problems.
There's only the
Did Tegan ever consult the PowerPoint?
No.
Uh-oh. Good thing you didn't do it.
Yeah. I swear, Ryan, if I get a letter in the mail that an anonymous tip went out,
No.
Tegan gets like arrested in my class. We got a tape that this kid is photocopying math textbooks. All right. There's 2 reasons why I photocopied this for you. Tegan photocopied this for you. It's because